Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to add a next page in Google Forms, which is also called creating a new section. First, start by opening Google Forms. You can either make a new blank form or continue with one you've already started. Then, give your form a title. For example, I'll name this one Section 1. By default, the first page is already there. To add another page, go to the right-hand side toolbar and click on the Add Section button. It's the icon with two rectangles. After clicking, you'll see Section 2 of 2. That means you now have your second page. You can keep adding sections to organize your form into different parts, like personal information, survey questions, or quizzes. Don't forget to click the eye icon to preview your form and check how it looks. And that's it. That's how to add a next page in Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.